What's up, fellas? I have a box right here, and you can see MW. This is from Moto World. Pero this is not for free. I bought this since Kidapawan City is getting stricter with the implementation of helmet, because before really strict ang helmets dili because of to prevent riding in tandem like that. But now they're already implementing it. They found they weighed in, and the safety of all riders is greater than the crimes, because crimes can be controlled and people can still wear helmet if they want to do crimes, so they can cover their face. So here it is. I ordered this at SMK. This is going to be my daily helmet. Kasi our other helmet is for our long rides. And masyado tayong mapawis, so we can't just have only that helmet. Madaling masira at malalaspag if I use it daily. So I bought this, and this is the cheapest that I found in the market. It's 1,300 only. Yeah, a lot of retro riders are using SMK, and this is an international brand as well. So this has standards that goes internationally. So I bought this for 1,300, and then when I checked again in Moto World, it's already 2,428. So I'm not sure if it's not promo time when I got this, but very cheap na siya. Very close to the cheapest price in the market, and this is safer than the cheaper one. So here it is. We have a bubble wrapped helmet, and then foam to keep it safe, and silica gel. I'll put this in my gadget box, and then here you go, 500 pesos off. Minimum purchase of 3,500. It's from Moto World, so you get 500 pesos off. Thank you so much, Motor Trade, for the discount on our next purchase. So let's open this one slowly. Yan. Okay. Helmet reveal. SMK. There's a helmet bag. Of course, this is very useful if you're going to leave or bring your helmet along with you. It will be easier for you to bring your own. Okay, open. This is not a sponsored video, so SMK, baka naman, uy, kalit. Alright, reveal. Ooh, cool. It's matte finish. This is, I think this is called SMK Stellar, and large size. European ECE R2205 certified helmet. Yun, European ECE. This is 1.550 grams, so more than a kilo, and RICC SMK, and it has a neat style. Loco. Not bad. Totally not bad for a 1,300 helmet. Cool. Check it out. Okay, so let's try to wear it. Let's peel off the cellophane. Woohoo! Okay, so the question is, it's fit. Okay, before that, okay. Ooh, meron pa pala dito. Before everything else, there's a small bag here, and let's see what's inside. Open! This is an SMK manual. Oh, diba? May manual. And then, how about this one? A tag box H for moisture management. Resil Science. The fabric is treated with okay. Resil Science for the sweat. And alright, SMK stickers. Yoo-hoo! Another sticker, another for the collection. And the last one, yeah, I saw this in some posts. Yon, SMK keychain. So, you know, buyers get happy with simple freebies like just stickers. They tend to get very happy and very satisfied. So that is very effective. So, the moment of truth, we have a latch here for the air vents. Yan, air vents, open and close. Don't expect too much because it's a cheap helmet, but it's still very nice. Look, oh. Yeah. Matte finish. And then what else? About the vents here. Open and close, of course, like that. Alright, and then it's a quick lock, not adhering. What's this for? Okay, and the leather inside. Cool. I like the leather look. It's leather, it's cotton. Cotton. Then there's shiny stuff there. This is not the cheap stuff. So let's see if it fits. Oh. Oh, good. It fits perfectly. How's my cheek? Is it pressed? Okay. Alright. Good. Look to the left, look to the right. Open. Alright. So this is right. What happened? So this is a nice helmet. Okay. So SMK, very cheap. If you check it now, it's that 1.3. It's more than 2,000 pesos. So this is a very cheap buy. Alright, let's go.